Do you know if you own a Sprinter van or a cargo van, you can make $1,000 a day while you're driving regional or local? Do you know you can get your cargo van without owning it? You can rent it or lease it somewhere and still make $600 to $1,000 a day. Let me in this video share with you five applications where you can make some good money using your personal vehicle or a cargo van. What is going on, truckers? What is going on to all my YouTubers? This is your boy Trucker Dumas coming back to you today in another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about something very specific. It's delivery. Do you know if you own a Sprinter van, a cargo van, you can make $600 to $1,000 a day and be still local? In this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 applications, 5 apps where you can get a lot of freight, a lot of load for your cargo van or your pickup truck or your SUV, so you can make some money when you're local. Let's say you're a truck driver, you're a trucker, and your truck have a breakdown, it's in the shop for maybe a month or two, or something happened to you, you can't go back on the road, or you have a member of your family that is looking for something like a side hustle to make some extra cash, make some money. App number 1, we have GoShare. You can use GoShare to find load delivery and use your Sprinter van or personal vehicle. App number 2, we have Dolly. App number 3, we have Curry. And app number 4, we have Itzer. Or number 5, we have Dispatch It. All those apps, if you use those 5 apps, you can find a lot of freight to move in a Sprinter van, your personal vehicle like a pickup truck or SUV. So do not waste time. If you have some time and you want to make some side hustle, use those apps. I would say it again: GoShare, Dolly, Curry, Itzer, and Dispatch It. You can go to your smartphone, download them, and apply to them and get yourself comfortable with those apps to see if it's something that you consider doing or if it's not worth it. Let me know in the comment section if it's worth it or if it's not worth it. Don't forget my name. My name is Trucker Dumas. If you like those type of content, please give me a thumbs up. That will help YouTube with the algorithm. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.